Good morning. Today I am explaining the inserting of header and footer. Now click on insert menu. Then there are so many options are available. We choose the header. There are so many types of headers are available. So we simply click a simple types of header. Look at, there are so many types of headers are available. We simple choose one text header. Okay, look at, footer is also automatically inserted in our document. Okay, if you did not want the header and footer so longer, so we just select them and click on the close header and footer options. Okay, so it will be closed and header will be inserted in our document. Now in next I am showing how to insert date. So click on date and time. There are so many format. We just simple click the date format and OK. So header will be inserted in our document. Now if we want to change the header into the page number, so we just select this date, okay, and then just delete it. So it will be deleted, and in place of that we just click 1, either give the page number or the additional information just like name of the other author or something else we just give. Okay, suppose here I am written 1. Okay, so it will be inserted 1 in each document as a header. If I am giving the name of author, so it will be shown in each documents. Okay, now the page number. Okay, if we want to give the page number, so we just select the page number options, and there are so many types of page number. Actually it's basically types of appearance and their how, just like in Indian number, Roman number, ABC, etc. types are available. We choose any one and insert in our document. Okay, so it will be changed. Now then footnote and endnote. We just click referencing options. Okay, in our documents. I will explain from new documents. Okay, then we just click the referencing menu and click on the insert endnote or footnote. Okay, there are two options are available, endnote and footnote. Basically it is also additional information giving the reference name of authors, etc. The basic difference of endnote and footnote is that endnote is appear at the end of the documents and footnote is appear in each page of the document. Okay, so if we want, we just insert more than one endnote or footnote in our document, and we change its just number to text. So we are giving the name of books and reference. In your computer book, look at the having one endnote, computer, okay, and then page number. So you will insert it. Okay, thank you.